Guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you 7 Canva shortcuts that you can use in your presentations to make your audience say wow on your Canva presentation. So let us start with the first one. You'll have to go to the present, and in the present option you'll have to go with the standard presentation. And once you are over here, let's say you want to start your presentation and you want a sort of curtain reveal effect. So the shortcut that you will be using for that purpose is U. Let me press U and see what happens. So it has put a cover on the presentation, and if you press U again, this is what will happen. Isn't it exciting? Then sometimes you want people to focus on something that is going to be in the next presentation, but you want to create a hype before revealing that something. So for that you'll use the shortcut, which is the D button. So once you press D button, this is what will happen. So then you can click on the next button and it would take you to the slide that you hyped the people about. The third shortcut that you can use is the popping bubble effect. So you will press O and it would lead to a popping bubble sort of effect, and you can use it on slides when you want people to give attention to the slide when there is a lot to explain in that slide. So it is just to add a bit of spice to that certain slide. So let me just press O and see what happens. Now moving on, the fourth effect that you can use is the blur effect. So for using that effect you will have to press B on your keyboard, and once you press B it would just blur out your presentation. So it is best to use when you want people to pay attention to you rather than focusing on the certain slide. So it would work perfect there. Then in some slides you want to show the achievements. For those sorts of slides you can use the confetti effect. So for using the confetti effect you will have to press C on your keyboard. Let me just press C. So it would give this very cool confetti effect. So sometimes during presentation people also start talking and they don't pay attention to the presentation or the presenter. So at that sort of time you can use the quiet effect. So for the quiet effect you will have to press Q on your keyboard. So this is the quiet effect, and it would grab people's attention and encourage them to have a look at your presentation again. Then the seventh effect that you can use is the mic drop effect. So for that you'll have to press M on your keyboard. So this is how it will happen. So you can use this effect on moments where you want people to go like just wow and people are looking up to you, and then you can use this mic drop effect. So it could also add a little bit of spice and a variety to your presentation. Now I hope you found this video to be useful. If you want more Canva shortcuts and effects, be sure to watch out the other informative videos on the channel as well. And right now on your screen YouTube is showing you a video that it recommends you to watch up next.